Welcome to Kimso Online Group Bookings. As a Kimso Online Group Bookings user, making a group booking is simple and quick. During the session, we will demonstrate to you how to make a group booking using Kimso Online Group Bookings. Let's assume you are working for a tour operator company as a user, and your manager have just given you and your colleagues your own password to log on to Kimso Online Group Bookings. You have recently confirmed a group that wants to travel, and you want to make a booking for this group on the hotel's online group reservation page. The first step is to log on to the group bookings function. At the bottom right of the screen. There is a group booking selection which you need to click on. This will bring you to a login screen where you need to enter your email address as well as the password your manager provided you with. The screen that will open will have two tabs at the top: Availability and Group Details. Let's start at the Availability tab. This tab displays the hotel's availability, and under this tab you will find the Go To Date field. This field allows you to choose any date in the past or the future to see availability. To easily get back to the current date, click on the Today button next to the date field. Below the Go To Date field is a column displaying accommodation. This is where the hotel property will be listed, and in our example we list the Imperial Palace Hotel. If you have access to multiple properties, the properties will be listed underneath Imperial Palace. The next column displays the unit types, which in this case is square double and square twin, as well as the amount of units for each that can be booked if all was available. To the right is the largest column that indicates the month at the top of the column, followed by the days and the dates. Underneath each day and date, you will see the number indicating the availability of the unit type for that specific day and date. In this case, if we look at Monday the 20th, we see that the hotel have 8 square double rooms available and 3 square twin rooms available. To the right, you will find a handy Help button. When selecting the Help button, you will get tips on how to navigate. For instance, the method to select a room is to left-click and drag over the blocks you want to select, while Shift and left-click will remove what you have selected. In addition, the Help menu provides a color key to the rooms on the grid. For instance, dark green means fully available, blue means less than 80% available, and red means no rooms are available. You can also access a PDF help file with more detailed instructions, or you can print the file. To make a booking, select the rooms according to the travel dates so that it is highlighted, and then right-click on the highlighted area so that Reserve will display. You can now click on Reserve. A window will open asking you to enter detail on the booking. You can fill in the number of units and the number of people that you want to book. Keep in mind that you cannot book more units than what is available under maximum units or maximum people. You can then click on Create Reservation. After creating the reservation, you will see your booking has moved to the Bookings column at the bottom, and the rooms have been subtracted and updated from the Unit Availability column. To make changes to the booking you have made, you can select the booking in the bottom column and it will highlight. If you right-click on the highlighted area, you will see 3 options, namely Edit, Delete and Rates. By selecting Edit, it will allow you to make changes to the booking, but remember to press Save when done with your updates. By selecting Rates, you can select the agreed and applicable rates that is available to you, and once again remember to save your changes. The last option is if you want to delete the booking. Simply click on Delete. When you are satisfied with your booking, select and highlight the booking and select Make Booking at the bottom left corner. If it is a new group and group contact, you will need to enter the group name and then select Add. This will provide additional information to complete, and after completing this, you will need to once again save the group. After making and saving the booking, you will be taken to the Group Details screen. This screen will show the highlighted start date and group name that you have just saved. The group's itinerary will be detailed on the screen from day 1 to 11 in our example. If you select Add Room List Entry, you can now add data per room such as name, email, telephone number, and more. To toggle between the itinerary and the room list data, you can click on Switch View. You can print the itinerary and save, and if required, you can email the room list by selecting the Email List to Hotel button on the bottom right of the screen. You have now made the booking, and it will be visible to the hotel on their Innkeeper system. If you go back to Availability tab, you will see the rooms have been subtracted from the Availability room list. Keep in mind that as a tour operator, you will not be able to cancel a booking. To cancel a booking, you need to call the hotel's reservation manager or their central reservation office, according to that hotel's cancellation policy and rules. Congratulations! You will now be able to make a group reservation on Kimso online group bookings portal. Let's summarize what you have learned. First, for the tour operator user is to confirm the group's requirements, dates, and details. The tour operator user will then log in and confirm availability of booking units or rooms on the system. The user can then make the booking for the group. They can enter their detail and they can submit the booking. The hotel will immediately see on Kimso online group bookings portal that the rooms have now been booked, but at the same time, Innkeeper at the hotel and their central reservation office will also be updated. Thank you for watching Kimso e-learning.